Hi friends, good evening. Welcome to my YouTube channel Inel Academy. Friends, today we will discuss some MCQs for RRB, NORCET, OSSC, JIPMER, SEL and all types of nursing exams. Question number 1. Parkinson's disease is caused by deficiency of which of the following neurotransmitter? Option number A, acetylcholine. Option number B, dopamine. Option number C, GABA. Option number D, serotonin. Here right answer is option number B, dopamine. Parkinson's disease is a degenerative disorder of the central nervous system mainly affecting the motor system. Parkinson's disease is primarily caused by low or falling dopamine level. Question number 2. Which of the following is not a neurotransmitter? Option number A, cortisol. Option number B, acetylcholine. Option number C, epinephrine. Option number D, norepinephrine. Here right answer is option number A, cortisol. Here cortisol is a steroid and others are neurotransmitter like acetylcholine, epinephrine and norepinephrine. Question number 3. Which of the following condition is an early symptom of myasthenia gravis? Option number A, dysphagia. Option number B, fatigue. Option number C, ptosis. Option number D, respiratory distress. Here right answer is option number C, ptosis. In myasthenia gravis, the first sign and symptom involve eye problems such as dropping of one or both eyelids called ptosis, double vision called diplopia. Question number 4. Inability to speak or understand the spoken word is option number A, agnosia. Option number B, apraxia. Option number C, aphasia. Option number D, insomnia. Here right answer is option number C, aphasia. What is agnosia? Means inability to interpret sensation. What is apraxia? Apraxia is a motor disorder. What is insomnia? Insomnia is a sleep disturbance. Question number 5. Which of the following symptoms is commonly reported by the patients immediately following cerebral aneurysm rupture? Option number A, explosive headache. Option B, photophobia. Option C, hemiparesis. Option D, seizure. Here right answer is option number A, explosive headache. An intracranial aneurysm is a dilation of the wall of a cerebral artery that causes explosive headache when it ruptures. Question number 6. Degenerative neurological disorders include which of the following? Option number A, Huntington's disease. Option number B, Paget's disease. Option number C, glioma. Option number D, osteomalacia. Here right answer is option number A, Huntington's disease. What is a Huntington's disease? Huntington's disease is a chronic progressive degenerative neurological hereditary disease of nervous system that results in involuntary coriform movement and dementia. Question number 7. The most common type of brain neoplasm is option number A, acoustic neuroma. Option B, neuroma. Option C, glioma. Option D, angioma. Here answer is option number C, glioma. What is glioma? Glioma is a malignant tumor of the glial tissue of the nervous system. Question number 8. Digoxin is a option number A, calcium channel blocker. Option B, cardiac glycosides. Option number C, thrombolytic agent. Option D, anti-angina drugs. Here right answer is option B, cardiac glycosides. Digoxin is a cardiac glycoside which is mainly used in the treatment of congestive cardiac failure. Question number 9. What is the most common site of injury from blunt chest trauma? Option number A, aorta. Option number B, superior vena cava, SVC. Option number C, left ventricle. Option number D, right ventricle. Here right answer is option number D, right ventricle. Right ventricle is more prone to blunt chest trauma because of the proximity of the right ventricle to the sternum. Question number 10. Angina pain that occurs during activity or emotional stress is option number A, stable angina. Option B, unstable angina. Option C, variant angina. Option D, none of the above. Here, right answer is option number A, stable angina. What is variant angina? Variant angina occurs due to coronary artery spasm. What is unstable angina? Unstable angina occurs when heart does not get enough blood and oxygen. Friends, this much for today's topic. Hope you like this video. For more informative video, please do like, subscribe and share. Thank you.